All right, welcome back. We're talking weather. Meteorologist Maria Ruiz. Maria, my mom is like staying with us, and she's from Jersey. And yesterday we were just outside hanging out on the lawn, and she's like, "Oh my gosh, it's November, and I'm out here with a T-shirt."
Yes,
it's still like a shock to her.
Yeah,
from the East Coast.
Today and tomorrow will be another T-shirt kind of day if your mom's wanting to enjoy the outdoors. And even this weekend, I mean, if she's from Jersey, she won't think this weekend is cool, but it will be cooler than what we're expecting right now. So this is what you got to know for today. 80s, dry, breezy, 60s tonight and clear. But the next big change comes on Thursday in the form of a cold front, and that's what's going to help bring in rain on and off throughout the entire day. It's also going to cool down the conditions throughout the day as well. And then this weekend, partly sunny, dry. It's going to be cooler with highs only in the 60s, and temperatures in the 60s is actually closer to what's considered normal this time of the year. Today and tomorrow will be well above what's considered normal or warmer than normal, with temperatures in the mid 80s today and Wednesday. That's 13 to 15 degrees warmer than the normal. Okay, so that front comes in on Thursday. That high of 64 degrees happens in the mid morning. And those temperatures will drop off as the day continues. So Thursday afternoon is going to be cool, chilly, I would even call it, and a bit rainy. But right now, not the case. Temperature of 76 degrees with a beautiful blue sky as we look over Denton, downtown Dallas as well. At DFW Airport, the temperature is reporting at about 79 degrees. Winds are out of the south at 10 to 20. At times this afternoon, we're going to have gusty conditions closer to about 25 miles per hour. And that south wind is helping bring in some added humidity. So you might step out and notice that slightly higher humidity. It's nothing like what we experience over the summer, but it's certainly high considering it is November. And speaking of it being November, 70 is about normal on this day. However, some locations will make it close to 90 degrees along our western counties. That's where it is slightly drier, and drier air is just going to warm up faster, especially when we have a clear sky. And that's what's going to happen this afternoon. Mid 80s for Dallas, Fort Worth, low 80s for our eastern counties. And the front, that's going to hold off until Wednesday night. So tomorrow, do expect to see another warm day. We'll notice more cloud cover coming in late in the day Wednesday into the overnight hours. It's going to stay mostly dry Wednesday night, but we could see a little shower popping up, only about 10% coverage. The front will likely make it into the Metroplex between 7 and 9. That's when we will notice a wind shift Thursday morning. And then after that is when we'll see that rain kind of filtering in behind the front. We're also going to notice that cooler air sinking in late in the morning into the afternoon hours. But then look at this, about 50% coverage of rain throughout the day Thursday, and Thursday night I'm even expecting closer to 70% coverage. Most of the heavy rain is looking like it'll fall along our eastern counties, and then we'll notice that rain tapering off through the morning on Friday. For our eastern counties, we could get close to about half an inch of rain, about a quarter inch in the Metroplex, but that's going to allow temperatures to drop into the 60s over the weekend with morning lows in the 40s.